So it's like, oh, these difficulties come. I gotta see I could portion my energy out to do it properly while being a good husband and father, all that kind of stuff. And yeah,
Yes.
it gets gamified. It makes it more interesting and keeps life from being boring rather than just. I mean, there's a system of you got to make enough money to be able to survive and pay your
Yeah.
bills, stuff like that. Then you're allowed to enter the fun aspect of life. Maybe it's not like that. Maybe we
Right.
build things up in our head that we need to make so much money to be happy or whatever, or to get things
Right.
going.
And you really need to enjoy the process of it, right? Because once you beat the Mario game, then game ends and actually the fun ends, right? And so
Yeah.
the fun is actually in trying to overcome all of those challenges. And because if you don't enjoy the process, this building of the law firm, this practice of being a lawyer will destroy you, will burn you
Oh
out.
yeah.
And so you really need to enjoy the process of client coming to you with a problem, you trying to solve it, you not knowing how USCIS or the consulate or CBP officer is going to adjudicate. And then you do your best and you have to just have faith that, good would prevail and grace will be extended. And then you give the client courage because they are the ones who have to face it and suffer the consequence. And then you
Yeah.
train the team to, continue to pray for them and help them. And
Yeah.
then it wins and then they're happy and then they say thank you and you go on to the next case, like you were building up a system so we can continue to help people, and you must enjoy that. If you only enjoy the checks coming in, there's so many other ways to make
Yeah.
money. And also when it gets too hard, you're just going to drop it, and if you drop it, you're just never going to be that successful.
Hmm.
Like I heard a saying recently, it's kind of funny. It's like if you're complaining about the industry that you're in and how hard it is and all the challenges, it's like complaining that you don't know how to swim and this pool sucks and you go to a different pool. Like you think it's going to be easier if you change to being a personal injury attorney. You think it's going to be easier to be a family law attorney or go to litigation. Probably not, right? Or you think it's easier, working in-house and dealing with the politics, right, of being in a company. You just don't know. So if you give up, then it ends. But if you keep
Yeah.
on striving and you learn how to swim and you conquer, then you can actually enjoy and treat it like a vacation as you're
Yeah.
working. So that resonated with me the other day when I heard it.
Yeah, it's a fabulous life. There's this song that came up on Pandora I was listening to, and my kids like it now. It's this young African kid, and this guy did a remix of his singing. It's like it's a beautiful world or something like that. I said it a million times, can't remember the lyrics, but it's I'm trying to take this. With the onslaught of work and this and that, like I found like peace in like just enjoying like what's around. I realized, oh, okay, like it's all good. We can fix it up. It always is working one way or another. Some time moves forward. It is what it is. So it's
Right.
been pretty good. How could people